Hello guys, welcome to iShare Tech. Below is the link to the group to get a free account. Here is the link to the Telegram group. As you can see, here I share completely free, no spam links, extremely fast and clean. Join my Telegram group right now using the link in the description or the pinned comment. Once you're in the group, I've already pinned a direct invite link. Just click it, no ads, and here you will simply pass through the link. If you've already joined the community and subscribed my channel, the link will automatically open for you. At this point, you'll see there are two unlock links, a YouTube link and a Telegram link. To unlock them, just subscribe to my channel and join the community. Once you've successfully unlocked, simply click the unlock link and you'll get direct access to Canva Pro instantly. One click and boom, you've successfully joined the Canva Pro team. That's it. Join the group, hit the link, pass through, and Canva Pro will instantly unlock for you to test right away, quick and real. Good luck, guys. Claim this now. Link in the description or the pinned comment.